SSW online tutorial, part number 109, SSW part number 109, SSW part number 2, and SSW part number 0, and a 22 gauge piece of wire. We're going to be using basic hand tools, your cutters, the SSW online crimp tool that you can purchase on our store, A, B, C, D, and E for your crimp tool increments, and your strippers. Go ahead and grab your wire, strip off about 1/8 of an inch of insulation, place your SSW part number 0 seal on there, then place your terminal, start your crimp in D. Start in D, D, then crimp on E. Now for your locking feature for the seal, start in A, right there, go to A, and then go to B, and just a little snug fit, just a little snug press down will do good. And do your 5-pound pull test. Go ahead and locate the back side of your connector. And this is the camshaft and crankshaft connector for the Vortec and the LS2, and the air pump connector for the Vortec series engines. Go ahead and place it in there. Slide till it locks. Once it clicks, you're done. Now if you want to remove this terminal once you've installed it, locate the front side of the face of the connector itself. There's a little notched area, a little top hat area. Get your green terminal tool that you can purchase on our store. Slide it in there till it stops. Press down till it clicks and pull out the back side. If you're reinstalling this, go ahead and get a razor blade. Kick that little tab back up a little bit. Place it in the connector itself. Press it till it locks. Your job is complete.